Hi guys, it is January 2022 and it is very cold outside. Right now is not a good time to start planting your garden, but it is the perfect time to start planning. I'm going to show you an amazing product we tried out last year. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the GreenStalk vertical planter. This is my brother Nolan and I unpacking the incredible GreenStalk vertical planter. This planter is quite different from your average stacking planter. The GreenStalk planter is uniquely designed to eliminate the problem that most stacking planters are plagued with. Stacking planters usually have an area at the top for easy watering. However, there's a problem that comes with this. The water that enters the top soaks through to the other layers, but the top layers end up overwatered and the bottom layers end up underwatered. The GreenStalk planter has a clever solution. The water is made to seep through small holes in the bottom of these layers into water discs and evenly distribute to all the sections. Those are the water discs. In the top water reservoir. We bought the bundle, which included a 5-tier leaf planter, a base with wheels, and seeds. Each tier is 7 inches deep. Now we are looking at the seeds that we bought. And now we can begin assembling the planter by putting the wheels on the base. The GreenStalk planter has very easy assembly, and all you need to do is slide the layers on top of each other. A good reason we decided to purchase this planter is the material of these layers. The plastic used for the planter is food grade, UV resistant, BPA, BPS, and PVC free. This simply means it is safe to grow food in and will not leak chemicals into the soil. This is very helpful as we are planting lettuce in this planter. To put this planter together, all you need to do is put the water discs on top of each tier and then stack the tiers. Another great reason for buying this planter is the quality of the item. GreenStalk is a family-owned business and puts good effort into their work. The planters are all made in the USA and Tennessee. Now we are testing the water system to see if it works. And it does. As you can see, the water is filtering through the layers and coming out the bottom. We make our own potting mix, and this is what we're using. We mix all those things together, and we have our own potting soil. Now we are filling up the layers and spreading the soil out into each section. Here are the seeds that we're using. We're using black-seeded Simpson lettuce, Tom Thumb lettuce, a mix of baby green lettuce, and nasturtium. Now we can begin planting the seeds. And it is finished.
Hi, today we are going to check on the lettuce and see how it's growing. Our lettuce is really growing in this GreenStalk grower, and today we are going to cut some of it and we are gonna eat it. Now we're in the kitchen and we have to wash our lettuce and then put in the lettuce dryer. Salad spinner. Let's salad. Nice lettuce. Nice lettuce. Here we go. It just kind of clips on there, and we push this down. See, it'll spin. And right here is the stop button. Just hit that button. Here we go. Shaking. Now it's dry lettuce. What you're supposed to do is take this off. You're there. Got some water. Just pull that water out. You put this in some container and dump it back in there, and then clean some more lettuce and put it in and try it. And that looks like a good bowl of fresh, clean lettuce ready to be eaten. I hope you had a fun time watching us clean lettuce and cut it.
So there you have it. If you want to try out this product for yourself, go to GreenStalkGarden.com, and we have a link in the description where you can get $10 off your purchase of $75 or more. Also, for this month only, GreenStalk is offering free shipping on any purchase. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the DOS Kids.